Hi guys, this is a video about fixing a loud and noisy um, garage door. This is my garage door and it's been really loud when opening and closing it. So one of the things that I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and lubricate some of the parts of this garage door with white lithium grease. So it's super loud and wakes up my family, and I gotta find a solution to it. And so this is what I'm doing to fix it. This is what you should do to fix it. As far as my arsenal of tools are, basically what I have with me is a white lithium grease that I picked up, and this is made by CRC. Do not use regular WD-40. You need one that's specifically white lithium grease. Picked it up from Ace Hardware for like 10 bucks. A pair of glasses to protect your eyes. And if you need to, you can get some gloves when you spray this. I don't think it's absolutely necessary. And you also need a piece of cloth that you might use to wipe out the dust from the rails. So very basic, nothing intricate. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my lithium, and then I'll start spraying all the parts on the gate, or on the garage door. Whatever you do, make sure you get a whether it's WD white lithium grease or CRC white lithium grease. Make sure it comes with a little straw so you can get in between the nuts and bolts. So in this case, I'll spray here, spray there. All right, so as you can see, kind of spraying all the important parts that are moving within the gate or within the garage door. So here again, be generous with your sprays. Going up here, making sure that that's also sprayed. Further down here, so you're getting in between where all the parts are moving. Anywhere where you have parts moving, make sure you spray that. It's got a very strong smell, so if you want to wear a mask, that also would help. So this is somewhere in the middle of my garage, and I'm spraying there as well. So I did a pretty good job spraying all the parts of the gate of the garage. And now the biggest challenge is getting up to the spring. So I don't know what kind of a gate you have or what kind of garage door you have, but you want to make sure you get to the spring. So like mine is one of those things I'm going to spray generously, and to make sure to spray that spring generously. After you do the parts, do the corners as well. Wherever you have movement of parts, make sure that you spray, and you will have to be very careful. My garage has this string, the spring that pulls. You got the springs over there on the wall, and then you got this the main line that joins the motor. So you want to spray that as well. I don't know what your garage looks like, but most of the garage comes with standard parts like this. So I'm gonna spray this part, and just move all the way down the line until everything is lubricated. So this is the main line going to the motor, and I'm spraying it basically. Spraying all the way making sure that it's generously sprayed on. This section doesn't require any kind of spray. And you just grab your ladder, grab a dry piece of cloth, and we're gonna clean out the rails where the wheels are running to lift the gate. So I have this piece of cloth. You can use whatever you have and just clean it out. Just clean it out. A lot of junk gets stuck in there and causes friction. You want to make sure that that entire rail is cleaned. All right, now that we've lubricated the garage, and it's time to open it up and make sure that all the lubricant that we've been using actually is spread out. So this is much quieter. This is how quiet my door is now compared to before. Check this out. So much quieter. Doesn't wake up the kids. Closes up and down without cranking or waking up the entire neighborhood, to be honest. So see what a little WD-40 white lithium lubricant / grease will do for you. You don't need to go hire a professional to do this for you. It costs you 10 bucks and you save over hundreds of dollars. So have a blessed day, guys.